Hello everybody, this is short instructional video about stitching pony, 3D printed stitching pony. This is 3D model which we follow. I won't show the all videos how I did. Just I want to mention the structural, the loaded parts better to be printed from PTG. Well, let's prepare leather pieces first. Mark 5 mm distance between the holes. Any methods you like, anything works. Yeah, same here. Let's punch this. Okay, stitching. Here's our piece. There is a holes already. We will stitch this way with little tight to pull some thread. Let's take a little more. Another needle. Well, classic saddle stitch. Okay. First few stitches doesn't need to be very tight, of course, just starting. In fact, you can do this way. Oops. Done. Nice and beautiful. The second one. 12 can come. Start assembling. Next we will install our spring. So I'm using this spring here. This is from AliExpress for some kind of compartment, and you have to just bend a little bit the ends of this spring here. You can see, so it's not rubbing against the plastic here in the slots. Installation is very simple. Just put this inside, align with slots, and put the pin or maybe M3 bolts, something small, and fix it. Done. So now it will open for you, so easy to replace the parts. Okay, preparing the handle for tighteners. This is the part 3D print. I clean up with the M6 tap, but can go like this as well. So M6 35 millimeter now. Just screw this in. Get loose a little bit, then with the super glue. Go in and out a few times. We give some time to dry this, and see you in a moment. Well, let's put this stuff together. This is our stud, kind of leg, with the M6 screw, 20 millimeters. Put this together and tight. Okay. Fixture, the stud fixture and screw are printed from PETG. Stronger, a little bit difficult, but it's much stronger than anything else. So the ball goes inside with snap. Then we put the tightener, tighten screw. Adjust, works. Make it work a little bit. It's just our glue from yesterday. Screw goes inside here. And this cap also fit. I have cut 2 pads from the rubber. Let's remove this double tape. Okay. Small will sit here. Come here. Good and strong. This tightener system, this lever, strap of the leather, it's around 12 millimeter, and this kind of terminator, I call it, put inside here. So how does it work? This goes through the holes inside, and let me say in the middle, maybe a little bit more. So go around and put this terminator. Can adjust it anytime. Let's try. So we have to step with one piece of leather. So maybe not tight enough. I will say release and tighten now. Still can be more. Yeah, strong enough to keep this. Well, again, you can make it more stronger up to you, as much you want. So when you open the jaws, they open automatically. Okay, here is full assembly. Tighten this. Please do your job. This is one option, and then one more option I will show you. Here is prefabricated holder for our rotary tools. It was here, just unscrew. The same concept, same M6 bolt here. So when you remove this one and that, and put this here. Well, definitely this is more rigid than plastic. You can maybe do something with this different. This is stronger than plastic, of course. So the link for this fixture is in the description. Thank you so much.